How do I work with Magrid? In the following video we will show you how to work with the tasks on Magrid. There are two types of tasks: tasks with booklets and tasks without a booklet. Let's have a look at an example of each kind of task. To work on a task, click on the pink icon on the left side of the screen. Just like when logging in, the camera opens up again. Scan the QR code that is on the booklet or on the card. After scanning, the task begins with a visual explanatory video. The first two exercises are presented here. You need to watch the video closely to understand how the task works. Once the video is finished, the actual task begins. To make sure you're on the right page, the small animal image at the top of the tablet has to be the same as the one in the booklet. If the answer is not correct, a red cross will appear and the exercise needs to be repeated. When an exercise is completed, you have to press the green button on the bottom right. If the answer is correct, a star appears and the next exercise begins. The line at the bottom shows how far one is in the task. Once an exercise is done correctly, turn a page in the booklet to the next task. You can watch the explanatory video at any time again. To do so, tap the yellow question mark button on the top right of the page. To start an exercise again, tap on the refresh button on the bottom left side of the screen. Clicking on the home button on the top left brings you back to the main menu of the application. To work with the cards, scan the respective QR code. These exercises are performed only on the tablet, without any additional material. When all exercises of a card task or a booklet are completed, a firework appears on the screen. You will also see stars, which indicate how well the task was performed based on the amount of mistakes. You can earn between 1 and 3 stars. This screen means that the task is finished. You can now either repeat the task or return to the main menu. Each task can be repeated as many times as desired. For this, just scan the same QR code again and click on the repeat button. Moreover, there's also free play mode. To start, tap on the blue button on the right side of the main page. Here, students can draw and delete points and lines. They can also connect the dots to create shapes and more. In the main menu, you can also check the profile and apply changes to it. For this, click on the profile picture with the name in the top right corner. Here, you can change the name and the profile picture as well as the dominant hand. Based on the dominant hand, some tasks will be optimized based on if your dominant hand is your right hand or your left hand. Moreover, the language of the app can be changed. Keep in mind that this does not have anything to do with the various tasks, since only error messages, like when you scan the wrong QR code for example, will be displayed in that language. Tasks continue to work without language and words. More information can be found in the manual, on the magrid.education website or on the Facebook page. We look forward to hear your experiences and feedback so that we can further improve Magrid. Thank you very much for your attention and have fun with Magrid.